Okay, if you haven't heard the news, let me just tell you, Donald Trump had officially won presidential election of 2024, meaning that Donald Trump is now the 47th president of the United States of America. How does this affect us? How does this affect the market? How does this also affect the crypto stock market and the forex market? In this video, I'm going to explain exactly how this affects us and how we are going to make money out of it. Now, listen carefully. We really want to know, because this is a one-time opportunity.
This afternoon, I'm laying out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet and the Bitcoin superpower of the world, and we'll get it done. If crypto is going to define the future, I want to be mined, minted, and made in the USA. It's going to be. It's not going to be made anywhere else. And if Bitcoin is going to the moon, as we say, it's going to the moon, I want America to be the nation that leads the way, and that's what's going to happen. I pledge to the Bitcoin community that the day I take the oath of office, Joe Biden and Kamala Harris's anti-crypto crusade will be over. It will end. It'll be done. It'll be done. On day one, I will fire Gary Gensler and appoint a SEC chairman.
Now let me give you guys a breakdown on what you should be expecting. Historically, after every election, that is after every US election, the market, that's the stock market, forex market, and the crypto market, just like from nowhere, just goes up massively, start popping massively, or skyrocket like crazy, like mad. Now I'm going to show you a chart up there. You can see it right on the screen. This is about 3 times it happened. Now it has happened. What does this mean? This meaning that investors, just me and you and other people out there, we start cashing out. We start making money. From the market. Now, is this a good news? Obviously it is. But then again, I'm going to educate you guys one or two things. Okay. So now market is going to pump. Yes. Why? Because Donald Trump is a huge crypto supporter, and Elon Musk that also supported Donald Trump massively. Is also crypto enthusiast. Now, what is this going to be? This is definitely a good news for cryptos, for we all investments. Okay. So those coins, those altcoins, those mini coins you bought, you're going to make profit. You're going to make profit out of them, as long as you didn't sell them loss, or you didn't sell them in break even. Hold them, hold those tokens, hold the tokens. Market is definitely going to move. It's going to pump massive. Again, there's something that you guys don't know, especially to the beginners, the newbie out there. Now, there's something called buy the rumor, sell the news. I don't know if you have come across this before. If you haven't, I'm going to put something on the screen, just an article, so you can take your time and read it. Okay, let me try to explain. So let me try to put something together. Now, this basically means that let's say for instance, you'll be like expecting something. Okay, this is by then that's just a rumor. You are expecting something, and that's a rumor. Now, at that moment, you're already like preparing for that rumor. Now, by the time the thing becomes a news, by the time the thing becomes official, that means it's like official. Just for example, now you see a Donald Trump election, nobody knows what's going to happen. All right, nobody knows if, but there's definitely a rumor that says that Donald Trump is going to win. Now that's not a legit info then, but now it's not a news. It's not a news. I don't know if you understand. Okay, let's say, okay, I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So basically, you buy the rumors and sell the news. Say a couple months ago, okay, before the election. Now, some people like me and other people already know that the United States of America, the election is going to hold. We already know that's going to happen. Okay, now this like we're anticipating something is going to happen. Now, most people always think that there is high probability that Donald Trump is going to win. I don't know if you understand. Knowing the idea that Donald Trump is a huge supporter of crypto definitely is a good news when it comes to crypto and other market exchange. Now, we just like me basically, I bought 2 Bitcoin when Bitcoin was around 50. No, that was around 40 something. That was when a Bitcoin is around 40 something. Now it's actually selling at 70 something right now. Now this like it has gone to all-time high. Okay, I don't know if you are following. Okay, so this is what it actually means: buy the rumor and sell the news. I don't know if you all understand what I'm saying. Now at this moment, if I want I can cash out. If I want I can keep this, but basically I'm going to cash out my profit, which is probably like $40,000. I don't know if you are getting me. Now that's something, that's a way an investor think. You need to think. You don't need to follow the public on what they do. Now majority people follows the crowd. People do. Now right now you all are thinking because the chart is moving up, that the market is going up, you want to come buy right now. Now because you are following what you think what other people are doing. Now because the chart is going up and you want to come buy right now, we that already bought the rumor and selling, we are now selling the news right now. Okay, so we like selling the news. We bought it cheaper, and now we are selling it. We are selling at least making a profit from it. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Now buying it is right now is not kind of a good idea, because definitely market will start retracing. Now they are making the video on 7th November. Now I want you to go to the chart and check. Probably the chart or this thing will start retracing. It will start retracing, definitely, because this is what happens in the market system. You know, when it's massively goes up, it retraces, because everything that goes up comes down. Definitely you have heard about that. So it goes up, goes down. So I'm not trying to say this is like a bad time of you investing, but you need to take carefully. All right, so just like us always, because if you are new to this, that's when you probably, but if you are not new to it, you will know what else to do, because when the market goes up, it definitely retraces. It's not just stopping there, it definitely go up. This is how it goes right now, you understand? But this is a good period to invest. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Now I don't know what you should be looking out for is short. Now if you really understand some logic behind this, I think you should be try to use this opportunity to make money. Okay, now I'm not trying to give you a financial advice, but you just have to use your sense. This is the period to cash out. This is the right time to make money. As the people that already bought, those people that already bought around 40 something, 50 something, I'm not saying you must sell it right now. I'm not saying you must sell it now, but the question I'm going to ask is that will you be able to have the patience to hold? Now that would be a good question if you think about it. If you can't, what do we have here is a good thing. You can just patiently keep those things, because when the market is like going up, you keep it and you make more profit out of it. But what I will ask you, or what our advice is right now, is just to withdraw your profit, and if I let those one be there for now,